Okay, hello again, boys and girls. So, this video today is going to introduce to you the way in which you can import pictures and, in fact, other media into a PowerPoint presentation. So, last video we just talked about how we set up a PowerPoint presentation. This video is about how we can import pictures. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my second slide from my template, and what I can see here is a big space for me to put a picture. I'm going to delete the picture that's already in there, so I clicked on it and pressed delete. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the internet, and I'm going to look for, let's say I'm researching the local region and I want to find an old photo of the Bridge Inn Hotel. And I'll look for images. Now here's a whole heap of modern ones. In fact, I might use this one here for my modern one. And I'll right click on it. So that's using my right click. So I click on the image, like so. Then I right click on it. And I say copy image. And then I go back to my PowerPoint presentation. And I right click there in the middle, anywhere really. I right click and I go to this one that says insert picture and see how it pops up. There we go. So now I've put that in my PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to enlarge it by stretching it out. Now, interestingly enough, it doesn't take up the whole space. And I'd like it to, as much as possible, take up the whole space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the picture format up the top. I'm going to click on this crop bar and then I'm going to crop just a little bit in from each edge. So I've still got the main picture there. Maybe we'll keep that tree, see how that works. And then I'll click on the crop button again and it makes it a bit smaller. So now I can line my picture up and stretch it out a bit. And that's almost taking up the whole space. So maybe I'll just center that in the middle there. There we go. Now, interestingly enough, if I go back to my internet search, updated 2023. So this photo is more than likely a fairly recent photo. Now it says 2023, but we don't know that that photo is actually from 2023. What I'm going to say in my title, I'll go back to my PowerPoint now. I'm going to say the Bridge Inn Hotel. And then I'm going to say picture approx 2020. Just like that. Yeah. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go back to my, you know how we think, like the research project is about doing some research. So I'm going to go back to here and I'm actually going to find out where the Bridge Inn Hotel actually is. The Bridge Inn Hotel is in Mernda. And if I look down here, see I typed in Bridge Inn Hotel location, Bridge Inn Hotel Mernda. But over here we've got some information. Oh look, 1425 Plenty Road, Mernda. So I'll copy that, I'll highlight it and Control C for copy. And then I'll come in here. Like that. And it came up as black. So I'm going to highlight that text. And I'm going to go to my, there. And then Bridge Inn Hotel, approximately 2020. There we go. So there's my inserting a picture. Now there are other ways of doing this. So let's go back to our web page. And we'll go back to our pictures. The one that I selected was this one. Actually, it was not that one. It was this one. Well, not that one either. Where's the picture I selected? Let's go with this one anyway. So another way of doing things is to right click on it and say save image as. and then it will come up with a spot for you to save the image. So find a location that's suitable, that you will remember, and I'll say bridge in hotel. Save. What that means is that now, when I go to my PowerPoint presentation, I can actually go insert at the top left, insert, picture, and I can say this device. And then I can go to the location which was in my video folder, and it was in my movie AVI. Yep, and then I can insert the picture from here. See, and here it is. Now I could make the choice about whether I like this one better. I'll stick with that one. Okay, so that is 2 different ways of how to insert and do some modifications of a picture into PowerPoint. Thanks.